Pike County 911, what's the address of your emergency?
It's our hunting cabin. It's on Panhandle Road, across from the pump station, the Rock Road. I think it's 157.
Okay.
And we went to the Quails Unlimited dinner last night, and a friend of mine here, it looks like he hit his head in the bathroom. I can't get him to get up.
Okay. Is he breathing?
I can't tell. It looks like maybe, but I can't get his mouth open.
Okay. Is it the Michael Cook residence?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Does 33515 157th Avenue sound right?
That sounds correct, yes.
Okay.
You're gonna. His nose looks like it's bleeding, like maybe he was slipped while he was going to the bathroom or something.
Okay, and he's been there since last night?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the phone number you're calling me from?
It's
Okay. I need you to get right down by his face and tell me if he's breathing.
Okay.
Put your face right next to his nose and mouth.
Okay. It doesn't feel like he is.
Okay, how old is he?
He's 49. But his body doesn't feel ice cold, though. Almost.
Okay. What color is he?
He's white.
Okay.
His hands feel awfully cold.
He is cold?
Yes, but he's been sleeping on the floor.
Okay. And you don't feel any breathing?
I don't feel any breathing, no.
Okay. Where is he at in the bathroom? Are you able to get him on his back?
I don't think so. He's a big guy.
Okay. We're going to have to try to do CPR, so I need you to try to get him on his back.
Okay.
If at all possible.
Joe, get on your back. I can't get him on his back.
Okay. Can you put your... Are you for sure if he's breathing or not?
I'm not for sure.
Okay.
Got my finger in his mouth.
Are you able to feel in his mouth for anything?
All right.
See if there's anything in there blocking his airway at all?
Is there what in there?
Are you able to get your hand in his mouth to see if there's anything in his throat? Can you hear me?
No. Are people coming now?
Yes, we got them on their way, but I need you to work with me until they get there, okay?
Okay.
Are you able to get your hand in his mouth at all to see if there's anything blocking his airway or anything in his throat?
His teeth are closed.
His teeth are closed?
Yeah. Is that bad?
Okay.
I love him. Like a brother.
Okay. It's all right. Can you see into his mouth at all, even with his teeth closed?
No, there's a little blood coming out from his nose, though.
Okay. Help's already on the way, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Stay on the phone.
Okay.
Doesn't think so. He just found him on the bathroom floor. He's been there since last night. He thinks he fell and hit his head. He's got blood in his nose. It's the Michael Cook residence. You got him on his back?
Joe, come on. Get up.
Is he breathing or?
Joe, wake up, please. Get on your back, Joe. Joe, get on your back. Can you hear me? Joe, can you hear me?
Sir? Sir? Can you hear me? Hello? Sir?
Hello?
Is he breathing?
I can't tell that he is.
Okay, were you able to get him on his back?
No, he's huge. I can't tell.
Okay. Okay. Were you able to get his mouth open at all?
Yeah, I can get his mouth open a little bit.
Okay. Can you see if there's any food or vomit in his mouth?
I don't see any.
Okay. Is there anybody else there that can help you move him?
No.
Okay. You said he's not cold, right?
He is, his hands are cold. His stomach's not ice cold.
His hands are cold, but not like the rest of his body?
No.
Okay.
Do you think he's going to be okay?
We really need to try to get him on his back so we can check him for proper breathing. Can you feel anything if you put like your hand by his?
Show me on your back. Show me on your back.
Does he respond to you when you talk to him?
Hello?
Are you able to move him?
No.
Michael Cook? Okay. You can't drag him out at all? You can't?
No, the door's in the way.
The door's in the way?
It's too big. It's hurting my back when I try.
Okay, okay. How is he in there right now? Is he on his side or?
He's on his side, yes.
Okay, and is he wedged or?
He's kind of wedged on his side.
Okay.
Is it bad?
And can you work with the blanket at all to try to use it to help you at all?
Huh?
Can you use the blanket to try to help you in any way to pull him out? Okay.
Are they going to be here soon?
Yeah, they're already on their way.
Okay.
Just keep trying till they get there.
What, ma'am?
Just keep trying till they get there.
Do what?
Just keep trying to get him out until they get there.
Okay.
Can you get a blanket or anything?
Yeah. Try to warm him up.
Try to keep him warm.
Okay. Looks like you might have fallen in the living room. There's some broken glass out there.
Okay.
It looks like maybe he was stumbling around in the kitchen a little bit.
Are you back in the bathroom with him?
No, I'm just getting him a blanket.
Okay. There's no way at all you could drag him out by his feet or anything?
I don't think he's a big guy.
There's absolutely nothing you can do to maneuver him around or drag him out at all?
I've been trying.
Okay. Just anything that you, even if you have to set the phone down, just anything that you can think of to try to get him out of there or to get him on his back.
Okay. Joe? Joe? Joseph? Joey? Joe, get up. Honey, come on. Please, Joe, get up.
Sir, are you there?
I don't have my car here. I can't cross the street. What's going on? Yeah, what's up?
Eddie, here.
Okay, well, I'm in the middle of a call, so I can't go.
Eddie, here. Eddie, here.
Inside the front door of the sheriff's department? That's not a problem. I agree with you.
Hello?
Thank you.
Are the first responders there?
No.
Okay. What's going on?
Well, he's still laying on the floor. I got him covered up with a blanket.
Okay. What is his name?
Joe Christ.
What is it?
Joe Christ.
Okay, and it's at the Michael Cook residence?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We're going to take him to the hospital.
They're getting closer. Just stay. Are you there? You are there by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is the door unlocked?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. They're going to be getting there any time. So if they're not able to find you in the house, you might have to leave him to go.
They'll find me.
Okay. Okay. You're still not able to move him at all?
No,
Okay. That's okay.
he's probably pretty close to 80 pounds.
He's what?
Pretty close to 300 pounds.
Okay.
I don't know if it looked like he tried to go to the bathroom and his pants were around his ankles, like he fell and hit the floor or something.
Is the house visible from the road, or is it back around the corner?
It's back around the corner, and there's a little,
back around the corner.
log cabin in front.
There's a log cabin by the road?
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys go get that stuff from my dad. Thank you.
There's a log cabin by the road, but the house that they're in is back behind the corner. They're getting closer, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Can you hear them?
Yeah.
Okay. Was anything changing with him at all?
Not really.
Okay.